We have this hiring alert section in our each sessions where we discuss the hiring notifications details like we are providing for that. We discuss all the profiles, the experience, the eligibility, and the skill set and the expected salary. So get your link from the comment section and do apply for that. Our each section and video sessions have that hiring alert sections. So get the link and get the one you are looking for. So please check our other content as well, and please do subscribe as well so that you can be connected with us. Okay, so let's continue on the our today's hiring alert sections. So the profile we have to discuss is the data analyst only. Okay, and the experience they have expecting is 0 to 2 years only. Means the freshers and the entry level are also like eligible to apply. And the eligibility they are asking to you should be a bachelor degree holder. It might be BCom, BBA, BBA, BBM, BCA, and masters as well. Like they are also eligible to apply, like MCom, MBA, PGDM. So they can do apply for this skill set. They are looking for the MS Excel. You need to who be like a master of that, and the basic knowledge of finance, trade life cycle, investment banking, and derivatives. So if you have the matching skill sets, please do apply for this. And the expected salary, they have not officially disclosed this, but it could be varying from 2.9 to 4.0 LPA. Okay, so we will be continuing that Azure certifications strategy for 10 minutes a day. So by this, you can clear your Azure certifications in like few just 10 days only, and just giving you 10 minutes in a day only. So please continue our each sessions for this so that you can easily crack your certifications. Okay, so let's continue on the questions. So the very first question is, you have an Azure environment that contains 10 web apps. To which URL you should connect to manage all the Azure resources? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. So the URL you will be using will be your portal.azure.com. So that will be the URL. Okay, the another question is, arrange the storage account redundancy options from the least redundant to the most redundant. To answer, move all the options from the list of options to answer area and arrange them in the correct order. So if we apply that least redundant to the most redundant, our locally redundant storage will be least, then it comes zone redundant storage, then the most redundant storage is your geo redundant storage. Okay, now so you have Azure Blob Storage is, so whatever the property follows with Azure Blob Storage, you need to select that one. So it's your storage service optimized for very large object such as video files and bitmaps. So that is the correct option only. So that will be your answer. Now, so and your Azure administrator plans to run a PowerShell scripts that create Azure resources, you need to recommend which computer configuration to use to run the script. The answer you have the solution you have recommended is to run the script from a computer that runs Linux and has the Azure CLI installed. So will it work? No, it will not work. Another, it is the same questions. You are an Azure administrator plans to run an PowerShell script that creates Azure resources. You need to recommend which computer configuration to use to run this script. Solution you have recommended is run this script from a computer that runs Chrome OS and use Azure Cloud Shell. So does this meet the goal? Yeah, it will. Now, you have some statements written out there. You need to mark them as yes or no. So the very first statement is, from Azure Service Health, an administrator can view the health of all the services in Azure environment. Is it true or no? So yeah, it's true. So it will be yes only. From Azure Service Health, an administrator can create a rule to be alerted if an Azure service fails. Yes, so it is true. From Azure Service Health, an administrator can prevent a service failure? No, you cannot prevent. Now, so again, your Azure administrator plans to run a PowerShell script that creates Azure resources. You need to recommend which computer configuration to use to run the script. So solution you have recommended is run the script from a computer that run Mac OS and have PowerShell Core 6.0 installed. So does this meet the goal? Yeah, it will meet the goal. Another question, you need to view a list of planned maintenance event that can affect the availability of an Azure subscriptions. So which blade should you use from Azure portal mm, to view this? So your answer will be first go on your help and support blade, and there will be this your service health blade. That will be there you can see your maintenance event there. Another question. So you have some drag down options there. You have a statement there, and you need to select particular service from there. So an integrated solutions from the development of code. Is it your Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is an integrated solutions for the development of code. Another second is your Azure Advisor. It is a tool that provides guidance and recommendations to improve an Azure environment. Another is your Azure Cognitive Service, a simplified tools to build intelligence and your artificial intelligence applications. And fourth, your Azure Application Insight, it monitors web applications. Another, you have drag down options, and you need to mark them, fill the area according to the statements. The first one, Azure SQL Database, it is a managed relational cloud database service. Another, your Azure SQL Snipes is analytics. It is a cloud-based service that leveraged massively parallel processing to quickly run complex queries across petabytes of data in a relational database. Azure Data Lake Analytics can run massively parallel data transformation and processing programs across petabytes of data. Another, your Azure HD Insight. It is an open source framework for the distributed processing and analysis of big data sets in clusters. So we will be keeping these questions only for today's sessions. For the other, you can continue to our previous sessions, and you can wait for our upcoming sessions. So please stay connected with us for more such content, and please do subscribe.